Dear student, how are you? I hope that you are well. I am also well. I am also fine. Thank you. Dear student, I taught you change of voice in previous class. Today I teach you sentence basis of voice change of voice. Now you look at blackboard assertive sentence. Active voice. I do the work. Student, look at blackboard and see this sentence. It is assertive sentence and active voice. We change into passive. At first we look at rule, structure. Objective of subject from plus am is are plus verb main verb past participle form. Past participle form plus by plus objective of subjective form. Objective of এখানে subjective of objective form. Subject of objective form. This is rule. You should remember it. Always remember it, returning it, learning it, and this rule apply it. Objective of subject form. Objective of subjective form. This sentence subject, main verb, object. Objective of subjective, that means object change into subject passive form. The work next we look object change into subject and main verb. When main verb is present form we use MHR basis of subject. The verb when subject I, we use auxiliary verb or verb to be am, and we add are. When we use active voice subject as a subject you, then passive voice we add you are. When passive third person use you ate is, and this is third person and we ate is. The work is unlimited. Next work is, you see, main verb do before we know it. This verb is present form of verb and past participle form is done. The work is done and main verb of past participle form I use plus by subjective of objective form. Next, you use when I subject is I, it may me, object me. Dear student, you look next example to look it. This sentence is active sentence, active voice. We change into passive voice. You look here, two object. Two object which is use active voice. When we change into passive sense, and another object is retained object. We call it retained object. At first, I take us we know before it. As we that means plural number. Plural number we ate are. We are you must have remember it when main verb is present form. Then when we object into change into subject, then we ate basis. Subject basis am is are, verb auxiliary verb am is are, verb to be. We are, we and teaches past participle form taught. We are taught. We are taught English. We say main verb past participle form and then we ate by plus subject of objective form plus here we ate subjective change into object form. Mr. Kori. And we are two-way. This sentence two-way we change into passive voice. Number one. Number two, we use before we use subject as, object as used as subject we, and in the meantime I take object, retained object, English, that means third person. English is taught as is his own place. English is taught as and by Mr. Korim. Okay, we are two way this sentence active voice change into two system. You have vast knowledge about voice change. There are many rules about voice change. You have learned it in next class. Dear student, now homework, write your homework. Number one, reading a book. Number two, he killed a tiger. Number three, we had a mango. Homework. Okay, you are writing this homework. Dear student, so thank you. You attend on my class, you listen my class, you remember these rules of change of voice. You should good luck. Thank you.